Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. In this video, we're talking about how to add YouTube videos to your YouTube playlists in 2021. Not that long ago, YouTube made some updates and upgrades to the YouTube playlist system. In doing so, they buried the add videos to the playlist button. Well, they've since corrected that a little bit, so I'm going to show you what you need to do. First, you need to go to Playlists. You can get here a number of ways, but I prefer through YouTube Studio. Then go down to the playlist you wish to add your videos to. Click on the Edit pencil. From there, you'll see the videos in that playlist. You'll see these three dots. If you have vidIQ, it'll push them over, but generally they're right next to the Share button. Click on the three dots, and there you have it, Add Videos. From here, you can add videos from throughout YouTube if you want to create a music playlist or add videos that are relevant to your videos within a playlist. You can add a specific URL or add specific videos from your archive. In this situation, I will add this video right here. Now you can add multiple videos at a time just by highlighting them. Click again to remove, and I'm just going to add 11 journaling ideas. And I click Add Videos. And here we have it at the bottom. And if I want to move this video within the playlist, I grab onto the double lines and move it up and down to where I want to place it. Now let's talk about why you might want to add videos to a playlist for your YouTube growth strategy. Now let's talk about why you might want to add videos to YouTube playlists as part of a YouTube growth strategy. Adding YouTube videos to playlists can be very beneficial to growing your YouTube channel. Yes, it helps you stay organized or create some interesting playlists for the front page of your YouTube channel. However, it's more in depth than that. When you combine like videos as part of a playlist, in other words, videos that take people from one video to another video to another video in that playlist, and they're all related, it gives YouTube data points as to understand what videos might be good to recommend next. In other words, suggested videos. And when YouTube sees that videos work together, meaning when one person watches a specific video and then watches another video of yours, they're more likely to show those videos because they can get more watch time, knowing that people like multiple of your videos rather than just the one. And so they'll keep suggesting videos as much as they can to get people to keep watching. So it's a great way to help YouTube understand which of your videos work best together so you can be found in suggested.